Hi everyone. Pray everyone is doing well on this beautiful morning. Today we will be transplanting our potted organic basil. Stick around and you'll see how easy this is. So here we have our basil and our organic potting soil and our pots. And I got this pot from our local Lowe's and it was like $3.28. Really nice sizable pot to transplant our basil. All right, let's get to it. Grab our soil. Let's open up the bag. And I just took this small little flathead to open up the bag. I'm gonna like just tear it open. And we're gonna get our soil out and fill our pot to about right here. I'll speed this one up so you guys won't have to see this. Okay, so now we have our pot filled to about here. Now we're going to transplant our potted basil. Here we are with the transplant. And when you transplant, if it's a little hard into your pot, you just crush up the pot right here a little bit. Pull out the basil, and you see those healthy roots. Those are some very healthy roots. And we're going to dig a hole just about that deep, and very lightly we're going to break up the roots and plant this in our pot. Pack it down as much as you can, not too hard. Don't break any of the leaves. Oh, it smells so good, so fragrant. We use it in our spaghetti, in our pastas. It's just so many things. And I even add some to my tea. Now we have some leaves that are a bit strange, so we're gonna pull those leaves off so they won't affect any of the other plant. And there we have our transplanted potted basil. We are going to add our potted basil, transplanted, to our porch garden. And of course you lightly water it, get it nice and moist, the soil, because it's new soil, so it's fairly dry. So we're going to water our transplanted basil, get it nice and moist. And there we have it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more